Good afternoon, my friends. Today, I, Love Agrawal,
And me Mukund Goyal.
are going to present our project thermotech defense. The thermotech defense is basically a jacket for army officers which keeps them cool.
So we have used this belt here in which one side gets hot and one side gets cold. So we put the hot side on a heat sink which will cool it down, and the cold side will get up to like -5 Celsius. So we have put this module behind this, and it will make the entire system cool. We have used a Bluetooth module which we
can control. We can control these things through our phone.
through our phone.
Like we will add a screen on the hand through which we can control how much cooling there is and all things.
In future we will add something like a heart rate sensor to the
Like a heart rate sensor so that they could measure their heart rate. And the heart diseases will be reduced. Through this, the heat diseases will be reduced. Our project supports two SDGs, SDG 3 and SDG 8. SDG 3 is good health and well-being, and SDG 8 is decent